with subways and buses, but we also got the Bronx Zoo Parkway taking you to the north or south. So if you're not ready to let your wild side completely out, but you still want to taste the nature, come see the colorful array of flowers at the New York Botanical Garden. So we're in the Bronx Park section of the Bronx. We're going to show you some amazing three-bedroom co-op. So right down the block here, around the corner, we're going to find ourselves in this co-op. Can't wait to show you. Let's go. Welcome to 2191 Fordham Street in the Bronx. So the lobby of this building is a sort of retro feel. And right here, you've got the elevator. Mailbox is to my right, and I'm going to flight of stairs. Over to my left, you'll find yourself with the massive laundry room. So I'm going to skip the elevator and actually take the steps. It's a quick flight. Follow me. So I take the stairs to this apartment, not just because it's good for your health, but here it's so easy. This apartment's on the first floor. So welcome to apartment 1B. So no one starts talking about closets once they come into a unit, but here it's a special mention. Upon entry, you're going to find yourself with two very deep, very spacious closets. We all know in New York City, big coats need a place to stay. So if you have a large closet, that means you've got large things. If you need space to put that away, basically unload. And this foyer gives you just the room you need. Take a look. So right when you come out of this gorgeous and spacious foyer, you've got this beautiful sunken living room. And now let me take you over to what really makes this apartment special. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's check out bedroom number 1. Behold, this is the master's bedroom. The master bedroom features so much to see. Here you have a large walk-in closet, and over here to my right, your own private bath. So I hope you enjoyed the master's layer. It has a large closet, as I mentioned before. It's just like the ones that are out there. Now, the other bedrooms, don't fall shy. You have large closets as well. Let me show you. Oh, you know what? Let me show you something even cooler. Come this way. Yeah, I know you're gonna say it's just a bathroom, but this bathroom is awesome because we just came off the hallway, so this is the common bathroom. But take a look at this tub. It's huge. And aside from that, you've got another doorway, so this